My name is Matthew Traxler. I'm a senior and I'm a business administration major with a focus in finance and double minors in accountancy and marketing. I'm involved with Alternative Spring Break as a member. I'm in Phi Kappa Tau fraternity as the recruitment chair. I'm the entertainment chair for dance marathon, and then I'm also the president of the UIS Disc Golf team. For Alternative Spring Break, I went to Fajardo, Puerto Rico, and we did a lot of different volunteer service work throughout Puerto Rico, not just in Fajardo. We focused a lot on conservation. We learned when we got there that a lot of efforts when natural disasters happen are focused on houses and rebuilding structures, which is important, but we found out that a lot of efforts aren't focused at all on the conservation. And so we focused a lot on that, as well as cleaning up shorelines, trails, bike paths. And we also worked with the Boys and Girls Club of Puerto Rico, and we helped rebuild a Montessori school. The real impact was the second day, the last day we worked on the schools. When we were leaving, as we pulled away, the principal turned around and walked away, and you could see her wiping tears away from her eyes. And in that moment, it was real. Someone, somewhere needs our help. And I think we should take it upon ourselves that if we have the time and efforts and resources to help, that we should go out of our way to help. I'm from Philo, Illinois. It's a small town south of Champaign. And I decided to come to UIS because it was a cheaper alternative. And on top of that, it is a great education system. It has a good business school. And on top of that, it's a U of I degree. I'm glad I came to UIS. There are plenty of other opportunities out there, but I do think that UIS was the best opportunity for me. I'm very proud of the things I've done here and the things I'm going to continue to do. And the friendships and bonds I've made at UIS are 100% genuine, and friendships and bonds that I'm going to keep forever. I think this school is great to kind of get out of your comfort zone, give you an opportunity to get involved with organizations and build your leadership skills.